guys, what is going on today? We're here back with a B-Storm video. This video is pre-recorded. So this was recorded about 30 seconds after the last one.
Yeah.
About 30 seconds after the last one. Because as you guys can see, I'm still doing this blue portal thing.
It's hard to, let's just say that.
And this will be going up 2 days after the other one because we're pre-recording. Maybe it'll go up tomorrow. I don't really know how many we'll be able to get done. Then there will also be a shark bite video that we're going to be doing.
What?
Ultimate Anti-Annihilation. So I need to do a whole bunch of
wait,
mine over here. Guys, by the way, this one is going to take me a while. Maybe we shouldn't take that long.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. You're a noob like you. Had to add that in. I've got a basic B, don't worry. Andrew, I've got a basic B too. Except my basic B is gifted. Making it... The basic B is actually like the best B in the game, if it's gifted.
Oh.
I got it from a basic egg too.
Wow.
Yeah, I got it from a basic egg. My Fisher Speed is level 10. This one is level 10 because of, this depends on their level, how much they do. Top honeymakers, you've made 10 billion honey. You want to know the number one honeymaker?
Yeah.
100,000 million billion 269 trillion. What's my
Do these.
black bear quest? Oh, guys, I'm calling it right now. This is my black bear quest, getting stumped. Look at that. Wow, yup, it's the getting stumped. 300 million from the stuff field and 500 million from whatever that field is. I'm just gonna use some glitter. I'm just gonna do a quick grind in this whole field.
What's that?
What?
I got a...
Oh yeah, that happens from like nice people. No, it's not even because of them. It's just their bees. No, we want to use a... What are my enzymes? We want to use... I would use this, but that's not worth it. For a grind like
I need
this.
stuff.
These stupid things are all gonna be... And oh yeah, we can turn on glue, oil,
Can't turn
enzymes.
Bro.
How many tropical drinks do I have?
I need a...
Doing a full-on big grind right now. Getting everything right now.
Need my...